As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 by the center of 2023, and afterward $5,000 toward the finish of 2033. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,684.21. So the cost expanded by 41% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,284, and the year-to-year change plus 91%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 36%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,154 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,312. In the final part, the cost would add $520 and close the year at $2,832, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Monday, February 20, $1,688. Tuesday, February 21st, $1,691. Wednesday, February 22, $1,695. Thursday, February 23rd, $1,699. Friday, February 24th, $1,702. Saturday, February 25, $1,706. Sunday, February 26th, $1,709. Monday, February 27, $1,713. March 15, $1,770. April 15, $1,881. May 15, $1,989. June 15, $2,100. July 15, $2,165. August 15, $2,187. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,832 to $4,323, which is up 53%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,832, then, at that point, take off to $3,262 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $3,021. That implies plus 79% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,323 to $5,499, which is plus 27%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,323, then dip to $4,064 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,293. It is about plus 155% from today. Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,582.76. So the cost expanded by 33% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,000, and the year-to-year change plus 68%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 26%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,886 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,024. In the final part, the cost would add $455 and close the year at $2,479, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,479 to $3,786, which is up 53%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,479, then take off to $2,856 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $2,645. That implies plus 67% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,786 to $4,816, which is plus 27%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,786, then, at that point, dip to $3,559 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $3,759. It is about plus 137% from today. 1/15/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,528.51. So the cost expanded by 28% from the outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,618, and the year-to-year change plus 36%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 6%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,667 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,703. In the final part, the cost would lose $229 and close the year at $1,474, which is 4% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,474 to $3,132, which is up 112%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,474. Then, at that point, take off to $1,625 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $1,869. That implies plus 22% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,132 to $4,773, which is plus 52%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,132, then take off to $3,254 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $3,437. It is about plus 125% from today. 2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,193.95. So the cost diminished by 0% from the very start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,495, and the year-to-year change plus 25%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 25%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,540 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,573. In the final part, the cost would lose $211 and close the year at $1,362, which is plus 14% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,362 to $2,892, which is up 112%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,362. Then, at that point, take off to $1,501 inside the initial